TV.
Today we will be learning about farm animals. Farm animals produces different kinds of food, which include eggs, meat, and milk. Other byproducts are feather, wool, dropping, dung, fat, oil, and so on. Let's look at animals you can find in the farm. Cow. They are raised for meat and milk. Cow dung are used for fertilizers to help plant grow. Cow also help farmers plow fields and transport goods. Do you know cows can sense a storm coming? Sheep. Sheep are raised for meat and wool. We get wool from sheep. Wool are used for making clothes. Goat. They are raised for meat and milk. Farmers also use their hair to make sweaters and knit goods. Chicken. Chicken are raised for meat and eggs. Chicken feathers can be used for pillow stuffing. Do you know that some breeds of chicken can lay colored eggs like green and blue? Duck. Ducks are raised for their eggs and meat. Dog. Dogs are great at keeping predators away from farm animals. They also assist farmers to herd farm animals like sheep and goats. Horse. Horses help farmers transport goods and materials around the farm. Pig. They are raised for meat. Do you know a group of pigs is called a sounder? Pigs do not have sweat glands, so they must roll in mud to stay cool and prevent sunburns. Now let's recall the animals again. Cow, sheep, goat, chicken, duck, dog, horse, pig. I hope you learned about some farm animals today. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell.